Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the most common questions about lavender essential oil, like what is lavender essential oil good for? Or how do I use doTERRA's lavender? Where is doTERRA's lavender sourced from? And finally, can lavender essential oil be taken internally? This will help you feel more confident when using lavender essential oil. And if you want to expand your knowledge base about the benefits of lavender essential oil, keep watching and subscribe to my channel below if you haven't already. My name is Mandy Summers, and I am very passionate about teaching about the amazing benefits of essential oils. Lavender is often considered a must-have oil to keep on hand at all times due to its versatile uses, including calming and relaxation properties that promote peaceful sleep and ease feelings of tension. It's known as the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. Lavender has been used and cherished for centuries for its unmistakable aroma and its wide variety of uses. In the ancient times, the Egyptians and Romans used lavender for bathing, for relaxation, for cooking, and as a perfume. Its calming and relaxing properties, when taken internally, continue to be lavender's most notable attributes. Applied topically, lavender is frequently used to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections. When you add it to the bath water to soak away stress, or you can also apply it to your temples and to the back of the neck for stress relieving purposes. Add a few drops of lavender to your pillows or your bedding or the bottom of your feet to relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Due to lavender's versatile properties, it is considered the must-have oil to have on hand at all times. The Black Sea climate zone of Bulgaria produces some of the world's best lavender. Its sunny and dry climate during the harvest, coupled with dry, well-drained, sandy soils, are ideal for this aromatic plant. For these reasons, doTERRA has chosen Eastern Bulgaria as the place to make reality a vision of creating world-class production center for some of the most valued oils. If you visit doTERRA's YouTube channel, you can check out that actual facility in Bulgaria. Lavender's essential oil is steam distilled, and it comes from the flower portion of the plant. Now, cooking is not my favorite activity, but it is a necessary one. I am the queen of burning myself, and I remember one night when I was super busy, and in my busyness, I reached into the oven and I grabbed the hot cookie sheet full of roasted vegetables without a hot pad. Holy cow, it was hot. And I dropped it and I ran to the sink and put my fingertips under some cold water. Then I grabbed my lavender, and about every 15 minutes, I dropped some right on my burned fingertips. They were burned and super sensitive, but I can tell you they never actually blistered, and they only stayed red for about a day or so, because lavender is so amazing when supporting your body in burn relief. We also love to put lavender into a spray bottle to support the skin when sunburned. A few other common ways to use lavender are to put it on the bottom of your feet before you go to bed at night, and to put it in your lotion so that you can soothe your occasional skin irritations that might pop up from dry skin, especially in the winter. You can also use it to freshen up your linen closet or your mattress or your car just by spraying some into the air. doTERRA's lavender is pure and potent, and because of its purity, it can be taken internally to reduce anxious feelings. Using lavender in cooking helps to soften citrus flavors and adds a flavorful twist to marinades, baked goods, and desserts. Lavender is known to soothe occasional skin irritations, like I said before, and it's meant to be taken internally. Lavender also helps ease feelings of tension. There are 3 ways that I love using lavender essential oil. The first one is diffusing. It is the fastest way to get to the brain. The second way is to take it internally by simply diluting 1 drop in 4 ounces of liquid. And lastly, I love to use it topically, and this is the most common way of using it. Simply apply 1 to 2 drops to the desired area. Dilute with fractionated coconut oil to minimize any skin sensitivity. And finally, let me warn you or caution you about possible skin irritation or skin sensitivity. Please keep this out of reach of children. This is something that we advise that you consult your doctor or physician if you're pregnant or nursing, and avoid contact with your eyes or your inner ears or sensitive areas. And if you're ready to get some lavender and try it, you can simply visit mandysummers.com/lavender or email me at trydoterratoday@gmail.com, and that's actually TRI, like a triathlon. Start to discover how great it is to use lavender essential oil. If you enjoyed learning about lavender essential oil and know someone who could use lavender essential oil in their life, please share this video with them. Let me know in the comments how you're using lavender essential oil, and thank you so much for watching and joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, my other videos will be to the side if you want to check them out. Maybe it's this side, I never know. And you can find new videos by subscribing to my channel, so every time I upload them, you get a notification. And if no one's told you today, you are amazing.